Has your baby been spitting at milk and crying non-stop? Keep watching so that I can show you how to burp your baby. Hello everyone, my name is Sylvain Obregon. Let's talk about gas. Every baby has it, but not every parent knows how to deal with it. But first things first, we should wash our hands for 20 seconds before holding our baby. Here's 4 simple yet highly effective ways on how to burp your baby. First way is on your shoulder. This position is ideal for newborn and infants up to the age of 6 months. Hold your baby against their chest, such as her chin is resting on your shoulder. Place a burping cloth on your shoulder in case your baby spits up. Supporting her with your non-dominant hand, you can pat her gently at the back, between the shoulders, and make sure you move your arm up and down. You can also rub her back after you pat it to release any trapped air. Next is sitting up. This is another way or another position for newborn, infants, and babies suffering from GERD or gastroesophageal reflux disease. So place a cloth on your leg. Sit with your baby on your lap, such that she faces away. Lean your baby slightly forward as your one hand supports your baby's jaw, and your thumb and also your forefingers support your baby's head, and use your palm to support your baby's chest. Use your dominant hand to pat or rub her gently. On her tummy, you could try laying her face down in your lap as you burp her. Take care not to let her baby's head dip lower down the rest of her body, as it might cause the head rush. Provide support to her chin and jaw with one hand as you burp her with the other. Next is walking. If your baby has adequate head and neck control, you could try burping your baby while walking. To do this, hold your baby upright in front of you, facing out while walking. Now support her bottom with your hand. Even apply light pressure on her tummy to burp her. So we come to an end of our video. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.
Yeah. Now I'm thinking, buy the car, the June blue.